We stand in solidarity with victims of this police brutality and their families. We will be visiting from tomorrow, and we will offer support to offset costs and help lessen the burden on the families. We have made a decision to observe 5 days of mourning in solidarity with the victims and their families, during which we'll try our level best to mobilize support to help lessen the burden on the families of the victims. But we are not giving up in our quest to force William Ruto to lower the cost of living, to commit the audit of the 2022 elections, to bipartisan reconstitution of the IEBC, and respect for political parties, including the Jubilee Party. And this afternoon we are pleased to learn of the High Court intervention where orders have been issued, and the legitimate Secretary General of Jubilee, the Honorable Jeremiah Kion, is here with us. We'll give him a minute to share the good news with us. Consequently, we announce that our protests will resume on Wednesday,